Welcome in everyone, Jay here from Gibbs Landscape Design, back with another video. In today's episode, guys, we're going to be putting up this fence here. We are not equipped, we usually don't do fences, so we don't have any air guns or compressors. We're doing it old school fashion way, with screws and nails, getting it done. Stuff in my pockets here with nails as we're putting up this fence board. It's old school. We don't have any nail gun, or we don't have a compressor. The customer actually decided against the fence, and last minute they said they want to do the fence, and my usual fence guy that comes in and knocks it out for me, obviously the short notice I wasn't able to get him, so me and Mo are just knocking it out here ourselves. The posts were already installed and we're just filling in the 8-foot section in between. Here at Gibbs Landscape Design, just want to take this time to thank our solid 87 subscribers that have supported the channel. We appreciate all who watch, we appreciate all who support the channel, and we look forward to sending more and more videos showing you how to do things or how not to do things when it comes to Gibbs Landscape Design. Final boards to finish off the top of these fence sections here before we get privacy lattice pre-built, and we'll set that up too. Last couple boards to get screwed in here. that's the end of it, which means one thing. It's the end of this video. Unfortunately, people, you know what time it is. It's that time where we gotta love you and we gotta leave you. Thank you everyone for supporting our team. Thank you for our 87 subscribers, our future subscribers, and everyone else that watches. Until next video, Gibbs Landscape Design, we're out here.